In 1942, fog hugged Los Angeles as the sky lit up with a mysterious glow and rumors of an unseen threat swirled. Anti-aircraft guns fired as searchlights stabbed through the night, while city dwellers wondered if an invasion had begun. The flashes and booms were later blamed on weather balloons misread by overworked radar and nervous nerves. After hours, the city learned there was no enemy, only a complicated mix of nerves and faulty equipment. The episode left a lasting reminder of how fear can spark action when technology and imagination collide.